Assalamu alaikum friends. If you're working in the GCC, be it Qatar, UAE or Saudi Arabia, and you've managed to save a significant amount, you might be wondering, should I invest it all at once or spread it over the time? This is a common dilemma, especially during uncertain market times. Today, we'll explore two popular investment strategies: dollar cost averaging, DCA, and lump sum investing. We'll break them down, compare their pros and cons, and help you decide which approach suits your financial goals. Let's start with dollar cost averaging, or DCA. DCA involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of market conditions. For example, if you've got 120,000 riyal or dirham to invest, you might choose to invest 10,000 each month for a year. The idea is that by investing consistently, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, potentially lowering your average cost per share over time. This strategy can be particularly comforting during volatile markets, as it reduces the risk of investing a large amount at an inopportune time. Now let's discuss lump sum investing. This approach involves investing your entire available amount at once. So if you've got 120,000, you'll invest it all immediately. The advantage here is that your money starts working for you right away, potentially leading to higher returns due to the power of compounding. In fact, a study by Vanguard found that lump sum investing outperformed DCA about 67% of the time over 6 months and 92% over a year for a portfolio of 60-40 ratio. So which strategy is better? It depends on your risk tolerance and market outlook. If you're cautious and worried about market volatility, DCA might provide you peace of mind. It allows you to ease into the market gradually. On the other hand, if you are confident in the market's long-term growth and want to maximize your returns, lump sum investing could be more appropriate. Remember, the market tends to rise more often than it falls. Historically, markets have gone up about 74% of the time. Let's consider an example. Suppose you received a bonus of 60,000 riyal or dirham. With DCA, you might invest 5,000 monthly over a year. This approach could help you mitigate the risk of market downturns. Alternatively, with lump sum investing, you would invest the entire 60,000 amount immediately, potentially benefiting from market gains sooner. Your choice depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance and investment horizon. As an expat in the GCC, it's crucial to consider your unique circumstances. Factors like job stability, duration of stay, financial obligations back home can influence your investment decisions. If you're planning to stay in the region for long term and have a stable income, lump sum investing might be advantageous. However, if your stay is uncertain or you are new to the investing, DCA could offer a more measured approach. DCA strategy is also suitable for those who want to start investing with a small amount regularly on monthly basis. In summary, DCA is suitable for cautious investors seeking to mitigate risk over time or the beginners. Lump sum is ideal for those confident in the market's growth and looking to maximize their returns. Both strategies have their own merits and demerits. The key is to align your investment approach with your financial goals and comfort level. I hope this discussion helps you make informed investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Know and Grow with Mubasher Jillani. Feel free to join our community on WhatsApp and Facebook, where we discuss financial strategies tailored for GCC expats. Until next time, stay financially savvy. Bye-bye.